Hi everyone, this is Lucy. I'm making chimichurri sauce today and here it is how I'm making it. I'm going to chop half a cup of fresh parsley. Putting everything in my blender cup. 4 garlic cloves. About 1/2 of a cup of chopped fresh cilantro and about 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano. And all of these ingredients are more or less 1 chopped shallot, or you can use the red onion, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the salt is completely optional, and about 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. Mix everything together in your blender to your desired consistency. Then all you have to do is spread it over your meat or your salad, or use it as a sandwich spread. I hope you like this video. Please come back to see me again. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again in my next video. Buen provecho. Bye bye.